This video is to demonstrate how to replace the gauge portion of an MKS Series 355 hot cathode module or transducer. This is a simple process that can return a failed unit back to working order quickly and easily. The sensor in the gauge contains a sensing wire or filament. When broken, the wire cannot be repaired or replaced, so the whole sensor unit with a new filament will need to be installed to repair the unit. The materials needed for this job include the 355 module. We are using part number 355400-0-YD-T for this demonstration, but the procedure is the same for all 355 transducers. The replacement gauge tube. The old tube on the unit is labeled with the part number that you will need to order to replace the old gauge. Contact mks.com or your local salesperson if you need assistance in determining the correct replacement gauge tube part number. And we recommend using sterile latex gloves to prevent any oils or contaminants from getting into the unit. Before beginning the procedure, turn off the power supply and then disconnect power from the transducer. Vent the vacuum chamber to atmospheric pressure and remove the module from the system. To remove the old gauge, grasp the knurled ring and firmly rotate counterclockwise to unlock the gauge. Pull the gauge straight out from the module. Take your new replacement gauge and insert it into the module. The key on the end of the gauge ensures that it can only be installed with the correct alignment. Grasp the knurled ring and rotate clockwise to lock the replacement gauge into the module. Reattach to your system and reconnect the power. And with that, your 355 mini convection module is ready to go. Please contact mks.com or your local salesperson with any questions.